This is a story about a ginger cat. He moved to a new city, a new place, a new life. But there is one problem. His English is not very good. I can do this. I studied English. I will be okay. I hope I'm okay. This is your room. Rent is 800 pounds. Water is included. Electricity is not included. Internet is not included. Too fast. Sorry, is water included? Yes, water is included, and electricity is not included. Okay, thank you. The window sticks a little. Sticks? Okay. I don't understand, but it is okay. Milk, bread, and coriander. What is coriander? Yeah, can I help you? Yes, please. Where is coriander? Oh, coriander is here. Fresh herbs section. Go straight, then left. Straight, left. Okay. Left or right? Oh, I found it. Hi, are you new here? Yes, I am new here. Your English is very good. Thank you, I am learning. Where are you from? I am from London. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. That was easy. Excuse me, where is Elm Street? Go straight, then left, then near the park. Sorry, can you say again? Sure. Go straight, left, near the park. Go straight, left, near park. Thank you. Hello, Bruno. Nice to meet you. Please have a seat. Hello, nice to meet you too. Thank you. So, Bruno, can you tell me a little about yourself? Sure, my name is Bruno. I'm from London. I'm a student and I enjoy learning English. That's nice. Why did you move here? I wanted to improve my English and experience a new city. I see. What would you say is one of your strengths? I work hard and I like learning new things. That's good to hear. Do you have any questions for me? Yes. What is a typical day like here? People work together, help customers, and learn new skills. That sounds great. Thank you. Today was hard. I did not understand everything, but I tried. I spoke English, I asked questions, and people helped me. I think I'm getting better. Learning English is hard, but small steps every day will help you improve. See you in the next episode.